Looking to unlock the secrets of wealth? Discover the top 15 game-changing pieces of advice from Warren Buffett that can transform your financial future. These insights are crucial for anyone aiming to get rich and stay rich. 15 pieces of advice from Warren Buffett for young people who want to be rich. Warren Buffett, renowned as one of the most successful investors of all time, achieved millionaire status by the age of 30 in 1960. Over the decades, he has consistently been among the wealthiest individuals globally. Buffett's incredible journey from modest beginnings to becoming a billionaire has made him a significant source of inspiration and wisdom for many. Throughout his career, Buffett has generously shared his insights on achieving wealth and success. His advice is especially valuable for young people navigating the complex world of finance and investment. Here are 15 of Warren Buffett's most inspiring pieces of advice. Pay special attention to advice number 10, as it is particularly crucial. If you're eager to dive into this topic, type "I'm ready" in the comments right now. When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. If you want to support the channel, leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and significantly helps the channel. We regularly share content designed to inspire and guide you towards a more successful and fulfilling life. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos packed with valuable tips and insights. I also want to take this opportunity to thank you for all your comments on our previous videos. I genuinely appreciate those who return to watch and engage with our content. Your feedback is wonderful and motivates us to continue providing valuable information. Now, let's begin with Warren Buffett's advice on how to become rich. Advice number 1, be different. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. You know, I once tried following this advice during a Black Friday sale. While everyone was scrambling for big-screen TVs, I decided to be different and grabbed a cart full of socks. It turns out socks weren't exactly flying off the shelves that day, but hey, at least my feet were warm while everyone else was fighting over electronics. Hopefully, that brought a smile to your face. As a young person, if there's one piece of advice you should take to heart, it's to be different. Go against the tide. This is Warren Buffett's number 1 advice. Observe what everyone else is doing and then do the opposite. Most people don't think for themselves and tend to follow the crowd, which often leads to poor decisions. For example, many people only invest in stocks when prices are soaring because they don't want to miss out, but that's usually when smart investors are selling. If you want to succeed, you can't just do what everyone else is doing. Think for yourself and make bold, unconventional choices. Don't be normal, watch what everyone else is doing and dare to do the opposite. This approach can lead to remarkable success. If you believe in thinking for yourself, drop a comment saying "I dare to be different." When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. Advice number 2, some things just take time. No matter how great the talent or efforts, some things just take time. You can't produce a baby in 1 month by getting 9 women pregnant. Many people remain poor and unsuccessful due to a lack of patience and persistence. Achieving wealth and success requires time, unwavering dedication, and extraordinary persistence. It's essential to endure tough times patiently because the journey to success is often long and challenging. Great things take time, you can't rush the process. Just like you can't have a baby next month by impregnating 9 women today, you can't expect to achieve significant success overnight. Be patient, stay committed, and understand that some things simply cannot be hurried. If you agree, drop a comment saying "Great things take time." When I see your comment, I'll know you understand the value of patience and will give you a heart. Advice number 3, choose your associates wisely. It's better to hang out with people better than you. Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction. One thing young people do more than any other age group is socialize and form associations. Unfortunately, many aren't mindful of who they spend their time with. Here's an important exercise: pause this video and make a list of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Now, close your eyes and imagine where these people are likely to be in the next 5 years. Sorry to say, but that's where you're headed to. If your associates lack ambition or a positive outlook, it's unlikely you'll develop those traits either. If your friends aren't more knowledgeable than you, your growth will be stunted. Distance yourself from negative and unmotivated people and surround yourself with ambitious, positive, and knowledgeable individuals. By doing so, you'll naturally be pulled in the direction of growth and success. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I choose to rise by choosing wisely." When I see your comment, I'll know you understand the importance of surrounding yourself with the right people and will give you a heart. Advice number 4, control your time by saying no. You won't keep control of your time unless you can say no. You can't let other people set your agenda in life. Take a look around. What do you see? Distractions are everywhere: social media, TV, parties, movies. While these activities can be entertaining, they often add little to no value to our personal growth and success. The key to controlling your time and staying focused is learning to say no to these distractions. Every time you say no to something that doesn't align with your goals, you gain more time to focus on what truly matters. The more disciplined you are in managing your time, the more productive and successful you will become. Prioritize your goals and protect your schedule from unnecessary distractions. By mastering the art of saying no, you'll create the space needed to work on what's important and make meaningful progress in your life. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I choose to be focused." When I see your comment, I'll know you understand the importance of controlling your time and staying focused on your goals, and I'll give you a heart. Advice number 5, discipline over intelligence. You don't have to be smarter than the rest. You have to be more disciplined than the rest. Forget everything you've been told about talent and IQ. Talents are as common as table salt. There are countless people with IQ scores over 200 who still struggle financially. Being successful isn't about being the smartest person in the room. What truly sets successful people apart is their discipline. Practice, dedication, and persistence are key. Discipline keeps you focused on your goals and helps you maintain the consistency needed to achieve them. Regular practice hones your skills and turns your efforts into expertise. Dedication ensures that you remain committed to your journey, even when the going gets tough. Persistence drives you to keep pushing forward despite setbacks and challenges. Don't worry about being the smartest, focus on being the most disciplined. Put in the work consistently, stay dedicated to your path, and persist through obstacles. These qualities will take you much further than intelligence alone ever could. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I choose discipline over intelligence." When I see your comment, I'll know you value dedication and persistence and will give you a heart. Advice number 6, knowledge reduces risk. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Over 90% of people who plan to start their own businesses never take the time to study or read even 10 books about business, let alone 100. There's a common belief that business and investing are inherently risky, but why is that? The real risk lies in ignorance. When you don't understand what you're doing, every step feels like a gamble. The less you know, the more uncertain and dangerous the path becomes. However, the more knowledge you acquire about your field, the less risky it becomes. Understanding the intricacies of your business or investment reduces uncertainty and empowers you to make informed decisions. Seek knowledge, educate yourself thoroughly about your industry, read extensively, attend seminars, seek mentors, and never stop learning. By doing so, you'll turn what seems like a risky venture into a well-calculated strategic endeavor. Remember, knowledge is the key to reducing risk and achieving success. If you agree, drop a comment saying the knowledge reduces risk. I hope you're following closely. By the way, if you're enjoying the video and want more topics like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and comment "I want more." Just go ahead and comment "I want more" so I know. Advice number 7, the chains of habit. The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Have you ever seen a drug addict looking helpless, wishing for some miraculous power to rescue them from their addiction? This tragic scene illustrates the powerful grip that bad habits can have on a person's life. The best thing you can do for yourself is to avoid bad habits altogether. Experimenting with bad habits is like playing with fire. At first, these habits may seem harmless and easy to control, but as they take root, their grip tightens, and before you know it, you become a slave to them. The chains of these habits are light and almost unnoticeable at the beginning, but as they grow, they become heavy and incredibly difficult to break. To live a successful and fulfilling life, focus on cultivating good habits and steering clear of negative ones. The earlier you recognize and avoid potential pitfalls, the easier it will be to maintain control over your life. Remember, the habits you form today will shape your future, so choose them wisely. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I choose good habits." When I see your comment, I'll know you understand the importance of cultivating positive habits and will give you a heart. Advice number 8, enjoy your work. Find something you love to do and you'll never have to work a day in your life. If you're spending your time doing something you dislike, you might want to reconsider. It's not just about the money, it's about finding joy and fulfillment in your work. When you truly enjoy what you do, work doesn't feel like a burden. Instead, it becomes a source of satisfaction and purpose. Pursuing your passions can transform your career from a mere job into a lifelong adventure. When you wake up each day excited about what you're doing, it doesn't feel like work at all. So, don't just chase after a paycheck, seek out something that ignites your enthusiasm and brings you joy. When you find that, you'll discover that success and happiness follow naturally. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I love what I do." When I see your comment, I'll know you're pursuing your passions and will give you a heart. Advice number 9, save early and often. Start saving and investing early, even if it's just a small amount. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compounding. The power of compound interest is like magic. Imagine planting a tree today. In the beginning, it might be just a small sapling, but with time, care, and patience, it grows into a massive tree. Similarly, the money you start saving and investing today, no matter how small, will grow exponentially over time due to the power of compounding. The sooner you begin saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow and multiply. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you have a large amount to invest. Start with what you have and continue to build on it. The longer your money works for you, the greater the returns will be. So, make it a habit to save and invest regularly. Your future self will thank you for it. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I'll start now." When I see your comment, I'll know you're ready to harness the power of compounding and will give you a heart. Advice number 10, invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. The most important asset you have is yourself. This is Warren Buffett's most important advice, and for a good reason. Your skills, knowledge, and abilities are your greatest assets. Invest in your education, personal development, and well-being. Whether it's learning new skills, enhancing your knowledge, or improving your health, investing in yourself pays the highest returns. The more you develop yourself, the more valuable you become in any field. Your personal growth fuels your career success and overall happiness. Remember, no one can take away your skills and knowledge, they are forever yours and can never depreciate. Prioritize your personal growth and continuous learning. By doing so, you'll unlock new opportunities and achieve greater success. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I invest in myself." When I see your comment, I'll know you're committed to personal growth and will give you a heart. Advice number 11, learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You should learn from them and improve. Mistakes are inevitable, but they're also opportunities for growth. Every failure brings valuable lessons that can help you improve and succeed in the future. Embrace your mistakes, analyze what went wrong, and use that knowledge to refine your strategies. Don't let fear of failure hold you back. Be willing to take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. This mindset will accelerate your growth and lead you to eventual success. Remember, the most successful people are those who have learned to turn their failures into stepping stones for greater achievements. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I learn from mistakes." When I see your comment, I'll know you're ready to turn failures into opportunities and will give you a heart. Advice number 12, take responsibility. Take full responsibility for your actions and decisions. Accountability is a crucial component of success. Instead of blaming others or external circumstances, own your decisions and their outcomes. When you take responsibility, you empower yourself to make necessary changes and improvements. It's easy to blame others for your failures, but true growth comes from acknowledging your role and learning from it. By accepting responsibility, you gain control over your future and pave the way for greater success. Remember, taking responsibility is a sign of maturity and strength. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I own my actions." When I see your comment, I'll know you're ready to take control of your destiny and will give you a heart. Advice number 13, keep it simple. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Keep your investment strategies simple. Complexity can often lead to confusion and mistakes. The most successful investors stick to straightforward strategies that they thoroughly understand. Instead of getting caught up in complicated schemes, focus on simple, proven methods. Simplicity in your approach allows you to make clear decisions and reduces the risk of errors. By keeping things simple, you can maintain clarity and achieve better results. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I keep it simple." When I see your comment, I'll know you value simplicity and will give you a heart. Advice number 14, avoid unnecessary debt. Debt is a serious financial burden. Avoid it as much as possible. Taking on excessive debt can lead to financial struggles and hinder your ability to build wealth. While some debt can be manageable and even beneficial, like investing in a home or education, unnecessary or high-interest debt can become a significant obstacle. Prioritize living within your means and avoid accumulating debt that doesn't contribute to your long-term goals. Managing your finances responsibly and avoiding unnecessary debt will help you maintain financial stability and achieve your wealth-building objectives. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I avoid unnecessary debt." When I see your comment, I'll know you're committed to financial responsibility and will give you a heart. Advice number 15, have a long-term perspective. Think long-term. Avoid getting caught up in short-term fluctuations and trends. Successful investing and wealth building require a long-term perspective. Instead of reacting to every market change or chasing quick gains, focus on your long-term goals and strategies. Consistency and patience are key to achieving lasting success. By maintaining a long-term view, you'll be less likely to make impulsive decisions and more likely to stay on track towards your financial objectives. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. If you agree, drop a comment saying, "I think long-term." When I see your comment, I'll know you're committed to a sustainable approach to success and will give you a heart. Warren Buffett's advice is timeless and invaluable. By incorporating these principles into your life, you can set yourself on the path to success and financial well-being. Remember, being different, staying disciplined, investing in yourself, and maintaining a long-term perspective are keys to achieving wealth. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Leave your comments below and let us know which piece of advice resonated with you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.